If your sinks are clogged and your faucets are leaky, 1-800-25-PLUMBER. If your heater won't heat or your cooler won't cool, 1-800-25-PLUMBER. Just call Henry Bush Plumbing, Heating and Air.
Henry Bush Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning has been a family-owned business serving the Inland Empire for over 110 years. We're a full-service plumbing, heating, and air conditioning company where no job is too big or too small, and we offer service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're licensed by the state of California and are fully insured. We provide only the highest level of service and employ only trained, experienced technicians, utilizing state-of-the-art equipment in a fully equipped stocked vehicle. And we stand behind all of our work. So for all of your plumbing, heating, and air conditioning needs, just call Henry Bush Plumbing, Heating and Air.
Big red truck with the little plumber there. Henry Bush Plumbing, Heating and Air. 1-800-25-PLUMBER.